Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. What we've been working on today is a Vauxhall Combo, and what we've upgraded this vehicle with is a new racking system. What we've added into this vehicle is Sortimo racking onto the right hand side of the vehicle, as well as a new Sortimo floor as well. So we're an approved installation centre in Cambridge, but we cover near enough all the way up to Norwich, all the way into parts of London as well. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in contact with us and we can design and spec your system to exactly how you want it installed. In terms of optional extras that you can add to this system is extra racking, but you can also add in lighting or any other commercial installation for that matter. We're going to be talking through a bit more about this system. So this system is called Globalist. There's two systems that Sortimo do currently, which is one is Globalist and one is SR5. SR5 we've done a full video on to show you exactly what that looks like. It's a slightly different design and setup, but both incredibly high quality, also completely crash tested. Really effective solution if you're looking into vehicle racking. If you own a fleet of vehicles and you're looking to rack out the entire fleet, feel free to get in contact with us. We can fit around about 20 or 25 of these vehicles inside our premises to be worked on at any time, as well as we have storage facilities here at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in contact with us. For more details, we'll drop all our links below. But thank you very much for watching our short video on the Vauxhall Combo and the Sortimo racking that we've installed. We look forward to upgrading your fleet soon. Thank you.